Welcome! Today, we're diving into a celebration that's about much more than just numbers or equations. It's a day that brings together millions of people from every corner of the globe, united by a shared vision for the future of digital currency. Today, March 14th, 3.14, isn't just Pi Day for math lovers. It's a global celebration for the Pi network community. All around the world, people are coming together, both online and offline, to mark this special occasion. For years, millions have mined Pi on their phones, believing in a future where digital currency is accessible to all. This simple act of tapping a button each day has connected people from different backgrounds, cultures, and countries, all working toward a common goal. Pi Day is when the core team reveals major updates and the next steps for the project. It's a moment everyone looks forward to, as it sets the tone for the year ahead and gives the community a glimpse into the future of Pi. This year, the excitement is palpable. Rumors are turning into reality. Anticipation has been building for weeks, and now the community is buzzing with hope and curiosity about what's next. We're not just celebrating a number, we're witnessing a pivotal moment for Pi holders. For many, this is the culmination of years of patience, dedication, and belief in a decentralized future. Pi is a digital currency you can mine on your phone, designed for everyday people. It's about making cryptocurrency simple, secure, and accessible, so anyone can participate in the digital economy. No technical expertise required. Today's announcements promise real-world changes, more freedom, more utility, and more value for your Pi. Imagine using your Pi to buy goods, pay for services, or even support causes you care about, all from your phone. With over 50 million users, Pi Day is a testament to the power of community and technology. It shows what's possible when people unite around a shared mission and harness the potential of innovation. So grab a slice of pizza, gather your friends, and let's dive into the news making Pi Day 2026 unforgettable. Whether you're a long-time pioneer or just getting started, there's never been a better time to be part of the Pi network journey. The wait is finally over. After years of anticipation, dedication, and collaboration, a new chapter begins for the Pi network community. The Pi core team has officially launched the full, open mainnet, marking a historic milestone for everyone involved. For those who are new to the world of Pi, the mainnet is the live, decentralized blockchain where real transactions take place, and where digital value is truly created and exchanged. Up until now, we've operated within an enclosed mainnet, a secure, invitation-only environment designed for testing, refining, and ensuring the network's stability before opening it to the world. But now, with the full mainnet unlocked, Pi is ready to connect with the global ecosystem. Your coins are no longer confined to a closed network. You'll soon be able to trade Pi on external exchanges, allowing the open market to determine its value for the very first time. This is a monumental leap forward, from a closed experimental system to a fully tradable digital asset with real-world utility and potential. Years of careful development, rigorous testing, and passionate community building have paved the way for this secure, stable, and transparent launch. Now, developers have the freedom to build powerful decentralized apps on Pi, unlocking new possibilities for innovation and creativity. Businesses, both large and small, can confidently accept Pi as payment, opening doors to a new era of digital commerce and financial inclusion. For every pioneer, your mined coins now serve as a bridge to the global financial landscape, connecting you to opportunities worldwide. The era of waiting is truly over. The time for action, growth, and participation in the open Pi network begins now. Welcome to the future. To truly appreciate the significance of the open mainnet, let's take a moment to look back at how far we've come. The journey of Pi network is a story of innovation, community, and gradual transformation. The enclosed mainnet was our safe haven, a carefully controlled environment, much like a walled garden, where the seeds of a new digital economy could take root and grow without outside interference. Within this protected space, pioneers began exchanging Pi for goods and services, experimenting with real-world utility, while developers collaborated to build the first generation of Pi-powered apps. This phase was crucial. It enabled millions to complete KYC verification, which not only prevented fraud, but also established a foundation of trust and legitimacy for the entire network. Yet the enclosed mainnet was intentionally isolated. There was no external trading, and Pi couldn't be swapped for other cryptocurrencies. This limitation protected the network, but also kept its value contained. During this time, Pi's value was subjective, determined by peer-to-peer trades and the willingness of individuals to exchange goods and services for Pi. Now, with the launch of the open mainnet, those protective walls have finally come down, opening Pi to the world and unleashing its true potential. Liquidity has arrived. Pi can now be traded on exchanges, allowing the market to establish a global price and making it accessible to millions more. Businesses everywhere can now accept Pi more easily, and interoperability with other blockchains is finally possible, paving the way for broader adoption and new partnerships. Pi can now be used in decentralized finance, lending, borrowing, staking, and more, unlocking a world of financial opportunities for its users. The journey from a closed experimental phase to an open global network marks Pi's evolution into a mature, fully fledged cryptocurrency ready to shape the future. The gates are open. The world is watching as Pi steps onto the global stage, ready to make its mark. Behind the open mainnet launch are crucial technical upgrades. The mandatory Node 20.2 upgrade synchronized the network, ensuring stability and security. Nodes, community-run computers, validate transactions and keep the blockchain strong. This upgrade means faster transactions and the ability to handle millions of users. Another buzzworthy development, Protocol v20.3, likely enabling smart contracts. Smart contracts are the backbone of decentralized apps and finance. These upgrades show the core team's commitment to building a scalable, lasting network. Pi is now ready for prime time. With Mainnet live and upgrades in place, Pi enters a new era of innovation. Smart contracts are now possible, letting developers build dApps, DeFi tools, and more. Imagine getting a loan or earning interest on Pi, no bank needed. A native Pi decentralized exchange, DEX, is on the horizon, enabling peer-to-peer trading. This boosts liquidity and gives users more control. Rumors of Chainlink integration could make the DEX even more robust. The core team is also exploring using Pi nodes for decentralized AI computing. This could democratize AI and reward node operators. Pi's ambition is clear: build a versatile Web3 ecosystem, not just a currency. The open mainnet is just the beginning. As mainnet launch neared, the crypto market took notice. Pi's IOU price surged above 23 cents, reflecting growing confidence. Trading volume spiked nearly 47%, hitting over $42 million in 24 hours. Market cap based on IOUs reached $2.23 billion, massive for a pre-launch asset. Exchanges moved millions of Pi tokens, preparing for high demand. These numbers show strong interest and liquidity. For pioneers, it's validation. Patience is turning into real market value. As real Pi trading begins, this momentum sets the stage for Pi's future. Pi Day isn't just digital, it's delicious. Every March 14th, restaurants roll out deals themed around 3.14. This year, 7-Eleven, Blaze Pizza, Burger King, and more offer pizzas and pies for $3.14. Papa Murphy's gives 31.4% off online orders, and BJ's offers $3.14 desserts. These deals connect Pi Day to everyday life, sparking curiosity about the Pi network. It's organic marketing. People discover Pi while enjoying pizza. The celebration bridges digital innovation and real-world fun. Enjoy your slice. You're part of a cultural moment spreading the future of money. Pizza Hut took Pi Day to the next level with a dream job. Hut crust connoisseur. One lucky person will eat and review Pizza Hut pizza for a year, focusing on their new garlic Parm Hut blend crust. The salary? Exactly $31,515.92. The first 7 digits of Pi. It's a clever viral campaign tying math, food, and fun together. This move brings Pi Day, and by extension, the Pi network, into mainstream culture. Brands are embracing Pi, making it part of the public conversation. For the Pi community, it feels like the world is joining our celebration. Pi Day is now a true cultural phenomenon. Pi Day 2026 marks the true beginning for the Pi network. The open mainnet isn't the end, it's the start of a new journey. Soon, Pi will be traded on major exchanges, setting a real market price. Developers will unleash a wave of dApps, DeFi platforms, and games. The more useful the ecosystem, the greater the demand for Pi. Everyday transactions, coffee, dinner, even passive income, will become possible with Pi. The community's support and feedback will shape this next phase. Pi's unique approach, accessibility, community, and careful growth sets it apart. The foundation is strong, the vision is clear, and the future is bright. We're at the dawn of a new digital era, powered by Pi.